rin ako.
Sir, may bagong position na in-offer sa inyo.
Let's just wait for the official announcement. Kung meron man. Let's just wait. Masyado namang nauna ang karwahe dyan. Pag tatanggapin o hindi, eh, wala pang ang announcement. Kung meron man. Executive privilege. Pwede.
Okay. Sir, you think yung pagtanggal sa inyo has anything to do with yung binawi na mga appointments?
That will be included in my statement in due time. Hindi sa ngayon.
Sir, anong pinag-usapan niyo ni Senator Naga? Ano po pinag-usapan niyo?
Ma'am, cake delivery po. Well, seriously speaking, when I was the chief PNP, Congressman De Lima was among the first visitors in my office. Nakita niyo naman yun, we published it. She visited me and we talk about things. So sa ngayon, I just reciprocated the gesture. I found out that it's her birthday today. Actually, alam ko matagal na. So I just really wanted to wish her well on her birthday. Kaya nagdala lang ako ng simple cake. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
So you think beyond repair na yung relationship mo with the present group of officials under this administration, or is it open to dialogue?
Uy, yung pag-premise yun ng question na beyond repair, para bang may nasira. I'm telling you, simula kahit nakahapon sa official statement ni Secretary John Vic, di ba? May nasira ba? Wala naman. It's all the President's choice, sabi niya. Which I support it. Of course we are. Sabi niya naman, di ba? Siya rin naman nagsabi na nasa dinner ako. Well, sa ako na yun, alam mo, di ba? Even in the PSA, in the Police Service Anniversary sa aking demonstration sa President nung ating capability sa 911 and 5 minutes response. Ano ba ang na-highlight doon? Napakabagal talaga ng internet. So, things happen sa mga ganong kanya. It's just so unfortunate na napaka bad timing nung mga calls niya. Kaya hindi ako naka-return call, hindi ko rin na-receive.
Pero sir, despite ko ng pagkakaalis po sa PNP, ano po yung proud kayo na nagawa niyo?
Proud to be. Laging tagline namin yan, di ba? I came from a unit na ang tagline ay proud to be. Until now, proud to be PNP. Ayun ang pinaka-tagline kung naghahanap ka ng tagline. Look at me straight in the eye. Do I look like somebody who is bitter?
Sir, conspicuously absent kayo ng Duterte. So, yung optics nun parang...
Because there's, up to this moment, there's no turnover to speak of. Ang relief ko is for the appointment. I have to still get guidance whether I'm fired from the PNP so that I will lose my 4-star general. And that's quite a different thing. No.
Kasi out of the service,
So,
ibig sabihin, sir.
I'm still a policeman with a 4-star general rank.
Kaya hindi po kayo nandun sa turnover?
That is assumption of office kasi nung the night before I was relieved and the office is empty. The office is vacant. So it has to be filled and it was filled the next day.
Pero hindi mo po may isip ang mag-early retire?
That will be part of my statement in the coming days.
Bukas pa ito yung NBI.
I'm not qualified for it.
Sir, sabi mo, umalis na daw po ba kayo sa babahay ng PNP?
Ano no?
Umalis na daw po ba kayo sa babahay ng PNP?
Sa quarters? Oh yes. Kahapon pagka the assumption of office of the new chief PNP is around lunchtime. I left the house before dinner. Kasi ako naman ay tumira ako doon, but with the reality in mind that anytime you can be out because it's just a temporary housing and quartering. So it's not very difficult for me to leave it.
With the family?
Yes, with the family.
So your message to your supporters po.
Sino yun?
Your supporters, kasi bumuhos po yung suporta para sa inyo.
Hindi naman ako naniniwala na ganun karami yan. Sa akin lang, salamat lang sa kanila. Pero I really appreciate the gesture. I really appreciate the support and the love. But Huwag kayong mag-alala, ako'y okay.
Sir, sabi niyo sa statement ninyo, ang tunay na tagumpay,
Pag-isipan ko muna yung sagot na yan.
sir, sabi mo sa statement mo, ang tunay na tagumpay ay patuloy na paglilingkod sa bayan. What do you mean by that?
Ay, pulis pa rin naman ako eh. Ay, makakita ko ng rumble dyan. Ay, makikita nyo ako siguradong manghuhuli ng nagrarumble dyan sa kalsada. Ay, count on it. May makita kong may madaanan ako rumble sa kalsada, maniwala kayo. May huhulihin at huhulihin tayo dyan. At I'm still duty bound to keep the peace.
Eh, pinag-uusapan na po kayo tanggapin ano man na posisyon na ibibigay sa inyo ng Presidente.
Yun nga sabi ko, let's wait first for the official statement or announcement regarding that matter.
Sir, regardless of that, still ready to serve government in whatever capacity.
I'm still serving the government.
Yeah. Yung general mindset mo lang.
I'm still in the government. I'm still serving the government right now. I'm still a policeman.
Still willing to serve.
Kung hindi ako willing, di umalis na ako.
You still support the president?
Of course.
Sir, your message to the president.
Ay, executive privilege na. Kung ano man yun, kami na dalawa mag-usap. No?
Sir, napag-usapan niyo po ni Kong
I wish him well. I wish General Nartat as well. He's a very good officer.
May napag-usapan po kayo ni Kong Leila about 2028 plans?
Pulis ako, hindi ako pwedeng... First and foremost, kung plans ha. Kung plans. Unang-una, wala akong pera na para sa trabahong yan. Ako po, Diyos ko, I'm really so far from reality.
Sir, sabi ni Senator King, parang umover daw yung inyong authority, paggamit ng authority.
I always respect the opinion of everybody, especially from a former chief PNP. I took note of it and reviewed my actions. Now, whether I agree or not, I'll just include it in the statement. You can deduce it from the statement that I will make.
This week, next week.
I can't really give a timeline on it. I took a leave. I took a leave, which I will do. I think the second time in my career.
For how long, sir?
I'm mulling about it kasi syempre for approval of the chief PNP, and I'm planning to use the maximum leave authorized, yung my vacation leave, my service leave, my
Sir, bakit kayo
na. Obviously, I need the time. I need the time off. So, yeah. I need the time off also to answer reporters.
What were your thoughts? Anong naramdaman mo when you learned about itong pag-release?
I've been an officer for more than 30 years. This is not the first time that this happened in my career. Okay? And it happened. Time and again, pabalik-balik yan. And, I just came back, bounced back, and do something again. Be credited for it. Redeem myself. Ganun lang.
Do you have any regrets, sir?
Regrets? Lahat naman tayo may mga what ifs sa buhay. Pero I am not very sure if this is one of them. Meron ganun, pero things na talagang major regrets or major things that I really think of reconsidering if given the chance to do the second time around. I don't think this is not one of them.
Do you think it was unfair? Do you think it was unfair?
Huh?
Do you think it was unfair? Kung ano po yung nangyari?
Wala nga akong sama ng loob. And I'm a good soldier. Kung may order, I just follow it.
Pero alam ko yung reaction nyo sa mga natutuwa at saka nagsasabi na ay nakarma po kayo.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, I just I respect all the opinions from everybody.
Sabihin po kayo before ilabas yung announcement sa pag-susunod.
Sa statement ko na lang. Sa statement.
Humingi ng advice sa inyo si General Nartat kasi is you're willing na mag-cooperate or magbigay po ng payo sa kanya.
Of course. You just have to ask and I can give it to him kung ano man. Pulis pa nga rin ako sabi ko sa inyo. Well, under the rules, parang ganyan. tingnan na lang natin, those are decisions and questions beyond our pay grade. Somebody else has to deal with it. Okay? Oh, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Anything you would like to add, sir?
Sobra na nga to eh. It's more than, baka may gusto kayong,
Hindi mo pa nga nachichika,
baka,
sir, yung
baka
laman
gusto
ng
nyo
ano.
itanong kung, meron ba kayong gustong bawiin sa iyong sinabi? Gusto nyo palaging add eh. Hindi pa pwede minus.
Message mo, yung statement.
Hindi pa pwedeng minus na lang. Minus muna. Not sure, hindi ko narinig yung statement ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong context.
Masama ang loob ko sa kanya. But right now, naawa ako sa kinalalagyan niya.
Until now, masama loob niya, sir.
Ha?
Until now, sir, masama.
Yes! Hanggat hindi may balik si Pangulong Duterte, masama pa rin ang loob ko.
Dito sa pananagutan nitong mga gumawa nitong kalokohan na to, meron po ba kayo nakikita number of people involved na pwedeng managot?
Talagang hanapin namin ito lahat at papapanagutin namin. I'll see you soon.
Meron po din sa records ninyo, may similarities po ba ang mga contractors?
Yes.
Nasa like malaking
Initially, yung mga na-involve sa yung binabanggit ni Pangulo. Pangalawa, yung involved doon sa rasak na naransak. No? Yung ginibang court na walang permit at tatayuan daw ng multipurpose hall kuno. Dito rin, favorite ano siya eh. Favorite contractor din siya eh. Kaya dikit-dikit eh. Kaya ayaw nilang ipaalam kasi mabibis to eh.
So ilang players po ang nakikita niyo dyan?
Pailan-ilan lang.
Mga 5?
Hindi naman. More. Pero marami, halos commonality. Ayan. Ayan, Pandakan. San Miguel, Pandakan.
So kayo naman po, anong nakikita?
San Miguel. Tingnan mo. San Miguel. Puro District 6 to eh. Poresa, District 6. Tamo, ano lang to ginaganyan lang natin.
Random lang.
San Miguel na naman. Malacanang to Puro Malacanang.
Parang ironic.
Favorite yung District 6
So ano po, parang ironic, no? Sila yan ng mga areas na may mga flood control project, yan ang binabaha.
Yan din ang
Tama
binabaha.
po. Tama po na.
Yes.
So, ironic talaga.
Ironic. Bumaha ng budget sa Maynila kasama ng pagbaha ng tubig sa Maynila.
So, ano tawag dito? Yung sa ano naman po, halimbawa, ibalik na dun sa normal na papaalam sa inyo. Ano naman po?
We'll support it.
Yes.
If it is proper and needed, why not? Lalo't wala kaming pera sa lungsod. Gusto namin yung mga ganyan. Ano bang kinukubli nila? Ba't nila tinatago? May insertion din ba? Hindi ko alam. May ini-insert ba pag hindi pinagpapaalam? And that I don't know. Ayoko maging malisyoso.
Pero para yun, I'm sure may mga bashers na I'm sure naglilinis na kayo sa Maynila. No? Isa sa mga causes kasi ay basura. Na ano na po ba ang update dito?
Okay naman. Maganda naman ng so far. I think I will let the people of Manila judge it. In terms of collection. Ngayon, may bago lang kaming challenge which I announced it kanina. It will happen in Metro Manila. Especially 6 na LGU with the recent directive of the MMDA. That's another challenge. I just publicly announced the plan of the City of Manila with regard to the new memorandum of MMDA.
Ay, ano po yun?
Panoorin nyo na lang muna sa
So,
mahaba yung detalye.
mahaba. So, ngayon po, in some cities, they do the retention basin. Parang may sarili silang swimming pool, doon na lang pinapaagos muna yung tubig. Sa atin po ba, ano yung mga nakikita niyong pwede na mga possible solutions lang po?
Well, of all the things that we are doing in our own little way, whether declogging, and so on and so on, the best solution is flood control project. That's the best solution. As long as hindi nagigiba, gumagana ang mga pumping station. At tama, hindi substandard. If it is running, especially 14 billion pesos, can do a lot of change to help, to ease the flooding of the city. Remember, Manila is the catch basin of Metro. Sa amin pupunta lahat ng tubig.